Hello all my learners and beginners friends and all my adorable audience. Today I'm here with very fantastic, fantabulous, smashing, splendiferous and enchanting topic, and the name of my topic is surprise. Actually guys, its name is not surprise, its name is something else. But before spilling the beans about the name of my topic, I would like to welcome you all to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi. And if you all are here for learning English, for speaking English, for being fluent in English, so just watch my video till the very end, because I'm gonna share something crucial that can help you to enhance your communication skill, to polish your English speaking, and also how to incorporate your listening and your reading in your speaking. Okay, so guys, this video will definitely help you a lot, so please don't escape. So guys, now I'm gonna spill the bean about my topic. So the name of my topic is personal growth. So without any further delay, I would like to say something, share something. And the thing is guys, like I have heard about this topic, personal growth, something through my listening practice today itself, and after listening this topic, I just liked it very much. So I decided to share this topic with my viewers, with my friends, and also to share something that can implement your English. Like the thing is how to incorporate your listening practice in your speaking practice. Right now, look, I'm going to do this just because I have listened this through my listening practice, and now I'm gonna speak the things. But yes guys, whatever I listen, I'm not gonna speak in the same sentence structure, in the same way, but definitely I will speak in my own way and in my own style, in my own expression. So if there's any mistake you find, so please try to forgive me for that, because I'm also your learner friend like you. So guys, first of all, you know about personal growth's meaning. So if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, don't worry. The means of personal growth is to become the best version of yourself, to recognize yourself, and to unlock your full potential. And it's all about the place where you are. It's all about to move from the place where you are right now to the place where you want to go. So if I relate this sentence to your English, so look guys, this is your current place in your English, a place in the sense your beginning stage. If now you are beginner, so definitely you must be wanting to reach to that place, like the intermediate level place or advanced level place. So if you really want to go, so you have to unlock your potential. You have to challenge yourself to go there. Without challenges, without taking risks, without stepping out of your comfort zone, how can you reach to that level? So this means that to move from the place where you are right now to the place where you want to go. And you know guys, we all want to go to that place, like the place of an advanced level speaking. So if we really want to go there, so definitely we will go together, my dear friend, don't worry about it. So now I'm gonna share something else. So personal growth means it's all about the improvement, not about the perfection. So if you are in your initial stage of learning something, so don't think about perfection, think about improvement that you are already making or doing day by day. Okay, and also it's all about to recognize that you are the one who is having the quality and the ability, the capacity to improve, to evolve, and to enhance, to polish, and to shape your own destiny. No one else is going to tell you, no one else is going to make you realize. You have to realize by yourself, like yes, you can do it, and definitely you will do it. And if you really want to make impossible to possible, so you have to do something for it. Without taking action, you can't make impossible possible. And if you are really dedicated, passionate, fanatical about something, so definitely you are gonna convert the impossible things to possible. Okay, And we should think about personal growth as muscles, as we are training our body to grow, as we are feeding our body to grow every day. So in the same way, we should also feed our mind, our brain, our spirit to grow, to boost up. And how can we do this? We can do this by filling it, by filling it with positive thought, with motivational things, with spiritual things. So if we do this, so definitely we will be able to train our brain and to control our thought and to become master our thought. Personal growth always allow you to take challenge, to overcome difficult situation. So if you really want to overcome challenges and overcome difficulties in your life, so you have to at first face it, you have to encounter it. If you don't face challenges, if you don't encounter bad or difficult situation like failure or setback in your life, so how can you learn something from that? And also remember one thing, my dear friends, that personal growth is not something that is going to be happen overnight, and that is going to be happen accidentally. It will definitely take your intentional efforts. If you really want to implement your personal growth, so you have to take action and you have to put your 100% effort, and it should be intentional effort. Don't wait that it is one day it will happen automatically. So my dear friend, it is not going to be happen automatically. If you really want it to be happen, so you have to just make it happen. And if you really want to prove yourself that yes, you have achieved your personal growth, you have reached your level, if you want to prove yourself that you have become the best version of yourself, so you have to make others realize. If you don't do something, so definitely no one is going to believe at you. Means everyone will take you for granted, and everyone will just underestimate you. So if you really want to get respect, and if you really want to get value and get love from others, so definitely at first you have to love yourself, you have to respect yourself, you have to recognize yourself. As you grow day by day, so you will not realize it, but when you start realizing your improvement, your growth, so that moment you will definitely realize that yes, your potential was not limited, and this is the fact, my dear friend. So I want to suggest you all to think about your personal growth, and personal growth is the only topic that I wanted to share to make you realize that yes, my dear friend, you can do anything in your life, but you have to be dedicated, you have to be stubborn for these things, you have to be fanatical for it. And if you face challenges in your way, and after facing challenges, if you stop your journey, if you stop your work, so definitely this is not good thing, and you are not going to achieve something valuable and beautiful in your life. And if you really want to achieve, so you have to just make this mindset that in the way of achieving something in your life, many obstacles and difficulties will come, but it all ups to you, like how you are considering it, how you are thinking about it. So if you really want to be successful in the thing whatever you want to achieve, so you have to think about all these type of failure and setback as stepping stone, and you have to learn from this, and you have to just move towards your journey, towards your destination step by step. And don't think about the noises that you are getting from your surrounding, and don't think about the toxic personality that also you are facing from your surrounding. Just think about you and think about your personal growth, like yes, how you can improve your personality, how you can improve your English, how you can learn something new, how you can achieve something in your life. So if you want to achieve, you can achieve. No one will stop you. But for it you have to be determined also, because if you determined for getting something, for achieving something, so definitely no one is going to stop you. But if you are not willing to achieve something or do something, so definitely also no one going to force you. So you have to force yourself by yourself each and every day. You have to push yourself towards your journey. You have to motivate yourself each and every day. Only then you will achieve your success, you will achieve your fluency, your everything. And look guys, right now as I am incorporating my listening practice, my reading practice in my speaking, so in the same way you can also do like me. Whatever you listen, whatever you read, just incorporate or articulate all the things in your speaking from your mouth. If you do this, so definitely you will achieve very good fluency and also very soon in your English. So with this beautiful hope, my dear friends, let me say bye. So be confident, feel confident and sound confident in English without any hesitation. Bye bye, take care.